Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw Pupsicle from Yokai Watch 2. Pupsicle is one of the Charming Tribe yokai, and he makes things super icy. And, well, not only that, but if anyone finds jokes that no one finds funny, they feel the, what was it again? The chill something? And, well, if they... One thing about Pupsicle, he's always freezing. Good thing for me, I always pack a radiator with me, so he doesn't get frozen easily. Try it. There we go. There's his ear. Now we draw the other one. Alexa, what is a beagle?
According to Wikipedia, the beagle is a breed of small scent hound, similar in appearance to the much larger foxhound. The beagle was developed primarily for hunting hare. Possessing a great sense of smell and superior tracking instincts, the beagle is the primary breed used as a detection dog for prohibited agricultural imports and foodstuffs in quarantine around the world.
And finished. That's how you draw Pupsicle. If you want to find out more on how to draw a yokai like this, be sure to check out the Yokai Watch playlist in the comments below. That's all the time for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay good, source, see you later, and good night.